Oh, the bowl is empty.
Hey, what's happening? I'm not Matt Splat, but I'm real close to Matt Splat, maybe a little better looking. And we're here on his channel. We want you guys to like, subscribe, follow the disaster known as Matt Splat, and let's see what happens.
Oh, all right. So now we're on our last stop down here in Rayong. And this is a place called Pumpkin. This one is not abandoned. And this one is open. Now, this place, it has a nice big pump track around there. We're going to go take a look at it. It's got the hours here. I think they focus on BMX, and that's cool, you know, and they let roller sports in there as well, then that's all cool. Now, they've got a full bike shop in there, a full shop going on. Full shop going on. They do have a little skate influence happening. Now the street course, the little bank section. Oh, the bowl is empty. So I came by here last week and this bowl was full of water. And with the tree hanging over there, they must have an issue with clogging that drain, I'd imagine. But apparently they got it cleared out. Water's gone. This bowl looks really, really good. Almost vert. Coming just to vert, it looks like. Probably about 6 feet deep. Nice transitions in there. And then you got this whole pump track going on in here, right? This asphalt pump track. A little bit more street course up here. Cool little bank with the steel coping on there. Nice little 5-0 bank. Got another big bank here and a little bit of street course down here. So this is really kind of cool. Now this asphalt bowl, this is, I would say this is probably reminiscent of Cherry Hill, if I do remember right. One of the back east parks that were made with asphalt back then. Now granted, it looks to be like a smoother asphalt and that sort of thing, and probably be pretty cool on a BMX bike, I'd imagine. The pump track seems to be pretty big, and they have a direction that they tend to keep with. The place is set up with picnic tables, trampoline, bathrooms, more tables in the back. Also, I was saying it looks as though this place caters to BMX. Well, they certainly do, because they have a full BMX jump track in the back, set up with a big drop-in ramp and nice big booters throughout, all dirt. They got a few other things over here. Little tire climbing fence and some other things. So they have some things here to keep you busy and occupied, but it's primarily, this is an extreme park, BMX park, if you will. It looks like they cater more towards BMX, but again, that's cool enough. I've got mad respect for the CFBs, thanks to my old high, or rather school time friend Keith Gaynor. He was a BMX champion back in the 70s when we were all going to school, and he was the first one that came along with us and rode the Thai Bowl with us in Fresno. The old Thai Bowl was a tight apartment pool that popped up during the construction of Highway 41, and they were buying out part of the city to make way for the freeway. So Keith came along with us, watched him roll his ankle, and I watched him first stick his tire out and over the coping and back in. I'm like, oh my God, never seen anything like that on a bike. Mad respect for the CFBs. Yeah, you guys keep it real, man. Look at that bowl. Please subscribe to the channel. hit that like tab, maybe share the video with your friends. Follow the adventures of this skate rat that had no retirement plan, no IRA, no 401k, and I'm living in Thailand and I'm here to stay. So follow me, follow the disaster that is known as Matt Splat.